Are you confused about Dockers and VM for your Homelab? Let's break down the key differences and help you choose the right tool for job.
For such informative videos about tech and soft tips, subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO.
Docker uses containerization, sharing the host OS kernel. This makes them incredibly lightweight and fast to deploy. Think of Docker as shipping containers, isolated but efficient, perfect for running individual applications or microservices. Resource usage is minimal, allowing you to pack more services onto a single machine, ideal for maximizing your Homelab's potential. Virtual machines, on the other hand, emulate entire operating system. Each VM has its own dedicated resources. This provides strong isolation, crucial for security and running incompatible software. VMs are like separate computers within your computer. However, this isolation comes at a cost. VMs consume more resources and take longer to boot. For resource-intensive applications needing full OS control, VMs are the way to go. Think complex databases or specialized server. But for most Homelab projects, Docker offers a faster, more efficient solution. Experiment with different tools and find what works best for you.